When people call us for help, it's usually because they realize they need professional assistance. Sometimes after the call, those same people become worried about costs or decide they want to wait for another reason. We've helped many clients resolve legal disputes, and the most important factor in improving your chances of a quick and beneficial solution is timing. In our experience, waiting is usually not recommended for the following reasons. Waiting is not free. In fact, waiting usually costs more than the cost of hiring the right attorney. The cost of waiting can include opportunity costs such as lost profits, lost business, lost salary and earnings, lost opportunity to keep yourself from being put on the defensive and potentially losing control or access to accounts and information. Trying to do things on your own or with a seemingly cheap alternative can result in you not doing it correctly or agreeing to something that hurts you in the long run. And the anxiety and stress you experience, plus the potential to lose your investment by not moving towards a resolution, can outweigh the costs of hiring a good attorney. 2. The longer you wait, the more things change and become more complicated. This can result in misunderstandings or miscommunications that make resolutions more difficult, increase the likelihood of litigation, and/or increase the likelihood of higher retainer amounts, plus overall higher attorneys' fees and costs. We recognize that we are not a cheap firm. It's also important to realize that we're also not the most expensive firm. We're not cheap because we understand the value we provide to our clients and the amount of time, energy, and resources we need to dedicate to helping our clients. In essence, you get what you pay for. We're not the type of firm that will recommend an action just to charge you more money. In fact, we have received numerous reviews and comments identifying that we take actions to try and reduce the overall long-term spend of clients. We did not create the problem, but we are trying to help you overcome it instead of exacerbating it. It's certainly important for you to invest your money into overcoming this legal issue. Call or email us today and get the help your business needs.